There are debt settlement companies out there that claim to be able to settle your debt, and the negotiation part of settling the debt arguably can be done by non-lawyers. You don't have to be a lawyer to be able to negotiate. However, when you're dealing with a law firm, you not only have the protection of a law firm behind you, you also have people that are skilled and trained to negotiate, as opposed to just lay people doing it. The differences are not as much as they used to be. Back in the day, debt settlement firms were able to charge upfront fees. We never charge upfront fees. We work on a completely straight contingency fee, which means we don't get paid unless we perform and we settle. So years ago, debt settlement firms or companies were charging upfront fees, but there have been a lot of changes in the laws and they can't do that anymore. So there's not as much of a difference in fees. The biggest difference is that they have a lot of hidden fees. A lot of times I have clients that come to us from debt settlement companies, and when I review the agreement, you can see all kinds of hidden fees that the clients don't even know about, all kinds of maintenance fees and administrative fees, and they just try to, put it in certain language, but there's all these various fees that are tacked on and the client's not even aware of it. We don't have anything like that. We don't have any fees. You want to make sure that you're dealing with a reputable firm. Lawyers are regulated by various regulatory and administrative bodies, but more importantly, lawyers and law firms are regulated by the state bar of every jurisdiction that they practice in. So, as lawyers and law firms, we have higher ethical duties and obligations that we owe to our clients. There's a higher professional standard of care, and that really gives our clients a lot of peace of mind. One might also want to go with a law firm as opposed to a debt settlement company. If a creditor decides to sue, which is rare but it can happen, law firms are in the best position to defend clients against those lawsuits. Debt settlement companies will often promise clients that they will represent them if they were to get sued, but oftentimes they drop them like hot potatoes and the clients are left without legal representation. So that's another thing that I think is really important, is that when you're dealing with a law firm, you have their representation in the unlikely event that you get sued by a creditor. In addition to having the protection of a law firm represent you, generally speaking, lawyers are better equipped to handle the settlements and the negotiating with the creditors. Lawyers are very well versed in the laws. We know what our clients' rights are, and creditors are more cautious when dealing with us because they know that we understand the law, we understand what our clients' rights are. They know that they can't bully or intimidate us because adversarial situations is what we do for a living. More importantly, as lawyers, we are well trained. We are usually better at oral advocacy skills and negotiation skills. So generally speaking, clients can expect to have better results when dealing with a law firm as opposed to a debt settlement company.